Okay, we put our clamps, I got our clamps situated on here a little better so we can mount the ears. So we're going to glue it and put a screw in there. And that glue will keep it from turning. That off. That's going to work there. And we'll do the other side. We're using a 1-inch screw to hold that in there. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I appreciate it. And if you got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So we'll just tighten it down a little bit. And then we're ready to do a final sanding, and then we can take this in and start to seal it. Thanks for watching.